Good morning, students. So I'll be solving the 6 marks problems question, that is problems on calculation of NPSR. NPSR andre new profit sharing ratio. First problem nodi, Anil and Vishal are the partners sharing. Anil mattu Vishal are the partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. So this is the old ratio anta helteve now because these are old partners, Anil mattu Vishal. They admit Sumit, ಹೊಸ partner ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ Sumit as a new partner ante for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. Okay. So it's a easy procedure, 6 marks problems idu. Old ratio. Old ratio ge partners yaru? See the question, Anil matte Vishal. What they are telling ratio is 3:2. Share how you will remove, students. Share how we remove. That is 3 divided by, add ಮಾಡಿ 3 4 5, yes, 2 divided by 5. You can write or here. This is the share. So this is the ratio. This is the share. What did I do? Old ratio. Anil mattu Vishal. They have given the question 3:2. Share I have removed 3 by 5. 5 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಇದು add ಮಾಡುವುದು. Okay, yes. Sumit's share. Sumit's share ಎಷ್ಟಂತೆ ನೋಡಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1/5. 1/5. Okay, right. Sumit's share is 1/5. Students, one assumption you have to do, right? Let the share of the firm be. Firm andre business. Business iddu share be 1. Idu one assumption 1. So remaining share will be calculated like this here. 1 minus this person. ಈಗ ಹೊಸದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು 1 ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡುದು 1. It can be 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1 million, anything. We don't know how much. 1 minus ಇವಂದು ಶೇರ್, ಸುಮಿತ್ ಶೇರ್ ಏನಿದು 1 minus 1/5. Minus ಮಾಡಿ, how do you minus? You have done this in it's basic mathematics. That is 5 ones are 5 minus 1. That will give you 4/5. Yes, 4/5 is the answer. Ega, it is assumed, you should write this, okay? Remaining share yaudu, that is 4/5. This remaining share is shared by Anil and Vishal. Anil and Vishal are who? They are the old partners. Anil and Vishal in the old ratio. Old ratio is what? Given in the question 3:2. Yes, we have to assume ಈ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ that old partners old ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಂತ. So you should write now Anil's new share. So old ratio is how much? Old share is, yes, that is 3/5. Yes, 3/5 into this 4/5. 4/5. 4 3s are 12. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Yes. Idu kuda Vishal's new share. Vishal idu share is how much? Here 2/5. So 2/5 into 4/5 idu common. Idannu share ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That will give 4 2s are 8. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now new profit share NPSR of Anil, Vishal, Sumit is Anil ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 12/25. Vishal idu eshtu? You have calculated 8/25. Then Sumit was how much? Yes, that is 1/5. 1/5. Illi 5 ide. How to make it 25? Denominator should be same. See here 12/25, 8/25. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ to make it 25? 5 5s are ಇದು 5 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 5 5s are 25. So when you multiply denominator you have to multiply numerator also 5. So the ratio is 12:8:5. This is your answer, 6 marks. Okay, it's easy. What did I do? Simple. Old ratio bariri. Sumit share. One assumption, let the share be 1. Remaining share e 1 minus even share 4/5. It is assumed that the remaining share idu is shared by Anil and Vishal in old ratio 3:2. Old ratio ಏನಲ್ಲ ಇದು old into remaining. Same Vishalige ಕೂಡ old into remaining. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then equate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, yes, this was the first problem. Now we'll move on to the second problem, students. Second problem ಏನಿದೆ question? Similar it is. A and B are the partners in the firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2 and same 3:2. They admit C in the partnership for 1/6. ಈಗ A and B are the old partners. Old share ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ students? Yes, 3:2. ದೇ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಸಿ, ಹೊಸ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇವನು, 1/6 share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Same procedure. What did I do? Old ratio of A and B. Right here. AB. A deshtante ratio is how much? Yes. 3:2. Share how you'll remove? 3 by add madi 5. 2 by 5. 5 hege I have added this. Okay. Now see the share ಏನಂತೆ. What is the share of the? They have given in the question 1/6. 1/6 you write. Okay. Now you make the assumption. Let the share of the firm be 1. E firm only all the three are there. Okay. A, B, C. So just imagine 1 crore, 1 million. We don't know 1. Remaining share be A no? Yes. E1 minus 1/6. Here you have done no. 1 minus 1/5 ಮಾಡಿ there. Remaining share. Same procedure. Okay. So minus ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 6. 6 1 6 minus 1, that will give you 5/6. Just let me just check it. Yes, 5/6 is the remaining share. Now it is assumed that 5/6, write it, is shared by A and B, old partners, in old ratio. Just write old ratio. Old ratio is how much? 3:2. So write new A share. Old ratio ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Old share ಏನು ನಮ್ಮದು? Yes, 3/5 into remaining ಏನು 5/6. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 5 3s are 15. Sorry, what did I do? Old share 3/5 into remaining 5 3s are 15, 6 5s are 30. Very good. Yes. Now here B do new share. B do share ಏನು here? Yes, 2/5 into remaining ಏನು 5/6. 5 2s are 10, 6 5s are 30. Okay, now equate ಮಾಡೋಣ. NPSR ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ A B C. A ಏನಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Yes, 15/30. Then B ಏನಿದೆ? 10/30. C ಏನಿದೆ? 1/6 ಅಂತೆ. Okay, 1/6. So ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So see, I'm doing 15/30, 10/30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 30 ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ what I should do? 6 ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 30 ಆಗ್ತದೆ? What can I multiply 6 with so that I will get 30? Yes, 6 5s is 30. Sorry, 6 5s is 30. So when you multiply here 5, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 5 multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 5. So the ratio is 15:10:5. You can again cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. That is 5 3s are 5 2s are 5 1s are. 5 1s are tables ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So answer is 3:2:1. What did I do, students? Easy. Old ratio A and B given in the question 3:2. Share ಬರೀರಿ. 5 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. C share ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1/6 ಅಂತೆ. You have to write this procedure. Let the share of the firm be 1. Remaining share ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಈ 1 minus 1/6 ಮಾಡಿ 5/6. Then write, it is assumed that 5/6 is shared by A and B in old ratio 3:2. ಈ ಏನು 5/6 ಇದೆ, ಈ A and B ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋರಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು 3/5 ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇದು ಇಂಟು ಇದು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 5/6 15/30. B ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ 2/5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಟು 5/6 10/30. ದೆನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಎಸ್, 6 why did I multiply by 5? ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಉಂಟು. Here you should do 30. So 6 ಹೇಗೆ 30 ಮಾಡೋದು? 6 5s are 30. So like this how I did. Thank you, students.